Are you looking for the best aerator pumps? In this video, we will break down the top 4 aerator pumps on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. High Blow Linear Air Pump Pond Aerator. This pond aerator is a very efficient device that will ensure optimal levels of oxygen in your fish pond. It is a long-lasting pump and is really easy to service. With a repair kit, you can easily repair the pump yourself if it stops working. This air pump is suitable for larger ponds or even for providing air for a larger fish room with multiple aquariums. The pump can create up to 3.6 pounds per square inch pressure and will produce up to 4.2 cfm airflow, meaning about 80 liters of air/minute. Although most air pumps are very loud, the high blow aerator operates quietly. Thanks to its rubber gasket, the vibration from the aerator are highly reduced. Also, it's worth mentioning that the high blow aerator is energy efficient, meaning that you won't have to spend a fortune on electricity bills because of this item. At number 2. TetraPond APK 100 Air Pump Kit. The TetraPond Air Pump Kit is an ideal solution for small medium-sized ponds and provides a good level of airflow with its 100 GPH rated air pump system. It comes with a generous 30 feet of tubing and 2 aerator diffusers for an even spread of oxygen. It's set up extremely easily and had everything working in under 10 minutes with diffusers on opposite ends of the pond. The air pump isn't submersible, but has sturdy rubber feet to keep it in place on the side of your pond. The 100 GPH air pump provides a strong flow and we were happy with the results. However, airflow will drop off considerably after around 2 feet of water depth. The pump also has a small screw valve so you can adjust the airflow as needed. Even though the air pump has been designed for ponds up to 5,000 gallons, it is more suited to around a 500-2000 gallon pond. This is especially true if your pond contains koi or large amounts of goldfish. At number 3. Laguna Aeration Kit for Ponds. The 30-inch winter-exclusive airline tubing keeps your pond safe and healthy during winters and prevents the water from freezing. You can position the air stone properly inside the tank and adjust it accordingly thanks to the styrofoam float that comes along with this kit. With its optimum oxygenation capacity and its compatibility with all sizes of ponds and tanks, it is no surprise that the Laguna Aeration Kit is one of the most sought-after aerators in the market today. At number 4. Airmax Pond Air 2 Aeration Kit. This Pond Air 2 Aeration Kit has every basic thing that you need to keep your pond clean and clean. It can help clean out ponds that have a maximum capacity of 1,000 gallons and can reach a pond that has a depth of 2 feet. It is perfect for any small pond because it has a simple installation as well as being cost-effective for running on for only 4 watts. It also comes with an airflow control valve which can be used to easily adjust the output of your aeration. In addition, this type of air aeration system can help mix the various layers of water through its bubbling air which ensures that there is no water left to remain stagnant.